Welcome back to Retro Made Geeky. This month, we are starting a new video series about restoring, repairing, and preserving history of our video game systems. To kick things off, we're going to take a look at the tools that we commonly use for restoring video games and consoles. First, we'll take a quick look at the cleaning supplies. This includes isopropyl alcohol, Goo Gone, cotton swabs, wipes, brushes, and anything else that we would need to remove dirt and grime from our systems. Next, it's important to have a good set of screwdrivers, game bit drivers, or a universal toolkit that has a variety of bits in it. When we get down to repairing circuit boards, having a good soldering kit is important. Having a soldering iron with various tips, like this wide bladed one or a fine tip for smaller solder points, good solder wire, a solder wick, and a solder sucker for removing solder from the boards. Some other tools that we also use will be an X-Acto knife for making fine cuts or scraping on corroded parts, very fine point tweezers for handling small parts and screws, wire cutters, and a heat gun for helping to remove solder from larger areas or removing ports with a lot of small, fine connections. Having a numbered parts tray is very useful for keeping track of all the screws that you might be taking apart in a complicated system, and having a jeweler's tip screwdriver set is also useful because some screws might become very small in modern day systems. Finally, having a good multimeter is essential for troubleshooting individual parts on a circuit board, testing continuity, resistance, and voltages, help isolate and troubleshoot problems at the circuit level.